Hello, I'm James from DoorTech. I'm here to just tell you a little bit about Arenti's doorbell. This is a 2K doorbell camera that we've just installed on our door, and I wanted to show you some of the additional functionality that we found on this doorbell that we quite like. As you can see, it's quite a compact product. It goes really well on this particular door frame. It's quite contemporary looking and it's incredibly easy to use and to set up. There's loads of features on the doorbell camera that I particularly like, and as I said, it's incredibly easy to set up. It has an app that works through Arenti, and that gives you the ability to customize quite a lot of features with it. One of the things as well is two-way communication as well, and it has a tamper alarm, so that in the event that someone tries to move the alarm, it will actually sound an alarm and it will notify you of that as well. One of the other things that I really like about this product is the fact that it communicates with Alexa devices and Google devices as well. So to give you a little example, I have a little Amazon screen set up here in my kitchen, and if I say, Alexa, show me doorbell camera, we'll see in just a second, and there we go. The screen's loaded up, and as you can see here from the screen, you've got a nice clear view. The camera also has night vision as well, so when it gets really dark outside, you'll still be able to get a decent view of what's happening. It's dark outside, and you know we don't know who's there, and obviously it just gives you that comfort that you can quite easily check without too much hassle.